And good morning, everyone. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where we talk about Forex, foreign exchange trading, prop firm trading, and making money doing all those things. However, making money is certainly not guaranteed, and here are the risk disclaimers to let you know about that it's not guaranteed income, and you can and will lose money. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. And here's the CFTC risk disclosure. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, carefully consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. So with that being said, we'll zip on over to the charts and see what's going on in the world. That's gold. Look at gold go down. So we've got a lot of things shifting around in the world order of things, it seems. It seems that gold is falling out of favor. And here we have the DXY. It's usually where we start. And you'll notice I've got some new levels in here too. Technical support areas down here at 96. Michael Boutros says this is a key resistance area up here. If it breaks through that, it's going to go even higher. And that is the top from, looks like October of 2025 before it came back down. That's almost a classic double top. That top's not high enough to be a classic double top, but it's pretty close. But at any rate, we're just coming back up over 99, so that means that the currency strength meter says the US dollar is about medium. How about that? And the Japanese yen is still on top. So with that knowledge, what we were looking at trading today, if anything, would be the dollar versus or the euro versus the dollar. And here we have kind of a neat thing going on right here. Bearish confirmation level right here, as indicated by some of the previous areas, probably the weeklies. Go to our weekly chart. We'll see how this area has held up in the past. This held up. We're talking about June 2025, that support area, and also, yeah. So we'll come back to the dailies. So it should prove to be strong support in June of this past year, the summer, and now it is showing as bearish confirmation. If it comes down here, we have price breakdown below 1514. Strong support right here is indicated by James Stanley at Forex.com, and that is from his video. Because I am watching his videos, but it is making a very nice channel going down, so we could see more further downward movement on the euro. It's too close to those levels for me to jump into it, so I'm not trading that today. Dollar versus the yen, again, not really oomping enough to make me want to get into it. It is coming up to a major pivot level, and it's kind of swinging right in between this major pivot level. On the daily, need to be on the 4 hour. So it's not really going over anywhere, although it is forming a very nice reversal candle right there. If it holds up, if that candle holds up right there, then we're going to see a lot more to the. There's a chance we're going to see a lot more to the downside. That would be a pin or an evening star. Evening star, it's not an evening star. I'll have to go over my candle formations. I'm not 100% on those as I should be. I usually look them up. Here we have the pound versus the dollar. Again, not really a whole lot of momentum going anywhere, but it does look like it's heading down to the, what's that, monthly support trend line or daily? It's the daily support trend line. So breaks this, it could go further. However, it's right up against this psychological level at 132.5. That might be a good buying area, as indicated by the smart, as confirmed by the smart money concepts indicator that I've got in there. Bounce back up to 400, but it's a good 200 pip swing. Could be. We'll certainly have to see. I don't have any lights on. How about that? Turn on some lights real quick. There we go. Now we have lights. Okay. Make it look less like a horror show, a little more to look like a informative video on Forex. Here we have the pound versus the yen. Pound versus the yen seems to be stuck right here at this Fibonacci level. That's from the Sunday thing that happened that day. We had a 350 pip move upward right after the election of the current prime minister, and it is hanging out right at that 50 level. Interesting how it just kind of hovers there. We'll see what's going to go on with that. That's probably, and so we have probably 80 pip swing, and then stopping right there on the dot at 202.20. It's very interesting how that level is right there. We'll call that support. Not sure what kind of support it is, but we'll call it support for now because it is right on that 50% level right there. Let's see what the coordinates on that are. 212, 202.12. And it is certainly obeying that level. After that, we're probably going to see if it breaks this, it could go down, do a full retrace of that Sunday move that night. After that, let's go to the UCAD. See what's going on with the UCAD, and it is just kind of again holding right on this resistance level, not really going anywhere. 140.22. Saw a lot of chatter on one of the rooms yesterday about go UCAD go, and it wasn't going anywhere. So I don't know what was going on with that, what kind of thing that guy was trying to pull. So don't always believe what you see in the chat rooms. It's not usually accurate. CAD versus yen. Not a whole lot going on here either. Price of oil. Let's see what oil did. Ooh, oil jumped. Look at that. Oil came right off this support level right here and bounced right up a couple of dollars to 58.21. So it's good we're not seeing world demand go completely down on that. So that's what's going on with the oil markets, and then let's come back down to CAD yen, and you'll see that nice rise in the CAD yen. So that's reflective of the oil markets coming up a little bit. Aussie versus the dollar. Wow, that has stopped right there at this level, which is not indicated as a key support level, which is very interesting. It's just kind of stopped right there at 64.85.86. About a 20 pip move. That's not enough to get into unless you're trading on a smaller time frame. Gold. This is the big talking point right here. Gold is in the point of collapsing. I wouldn't say collapsing, but it's testing the 4,000 range again, as it probably should. James Stanley went through a bunch of things yesterday about how historically this happens with gold. That it'll have a big run up and then come down, and then it'll range trade for about the next 3 years or so. I mean, at one point in time, this was referred to as a pet rock because it never really went anywhere. But that changed in 2011, I think. Go back to the weeklies on this one. But it started off today with a huge downside. That could be a bearish engulfing on the weekly. That's a bearish engulfing on the weekly. We'll look further downside. I don't think we can see it on this chart. Yeah, he's not as good at the chart, and he's got more time to do this than I do. Because I have a day job I've got to go to. Because having a day job is cool until you're sufficient enough to do this. So I've got bullish and validation here right in this buying area as far as the smart money concepts people go. So if it breaks down below 39.49, we can see further capitulation. I don't want to say capitulation is a strong word, but hey, that's what we're looking at. Could come all the way down here to 37.17, which is the one. So if you're familiar with FIBO levels, it's a 161.8 extension from the 2015 expansion. That's a lot to say, but at any rate, that's what's going on with that level. And then before that, we have all those support levels way down there that are now. If it comes down to 3,400, then that will ease my mind on changing of world order to some degree. But at any rate, silver. Silver's doing the same thing gold is, and it's falling right in that channel we drew yesterday, right in this pitchfork. So we'll see if it continues to go further. The 2011 weekly record close is where it's sitting right now. The all-time daily close is 49.95. The all-time weekly close is, or the weekly close record, former weekly close record is right here at 47.91. And this is also getting this information from the nice people at Forex.com, Michael Boutros and James Stanley. If you have a chance, I would definitely look up those videos from Forex.com and see what see what ideas they have. They're professional technicians and have been for a long time. And I've been following those guys for years, actually, and just now getting back into following them every week. So that's what's going on with silver. That's what's going on in the Forex markets, as a matter of fact. We don't have a whole lot that I'm going to get into today. I have not started a new trading challenge yet. I'll probably start one tonight or tomorrow morning. We'll see how that goes. So in the meantime, you guys have a great day. If you do decide to trade Forex, remember it is volatile and you can lose. You can lose. So it's definitely not a guaranteed source of income. Also, if you like this channel, then click the thumbs up icon. If you want to know when I'm doing more videos like this, then subscribe. And if you'd like to come make a comment about the videos, by all means, comment, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. So you guys have a great one. Talk to you later. Bye.